All right, howdy, and welcome back to another installation of the Addicted Motors auction chat. And we've got for you today is a pretty sweet looking 95 Range Rover P38. And this one's interesting. One, well, it's green. It has the big old factory or aftermarket fog lights and the factory little grill guard. But it's green, it's rust-free, it's in California, and it's a 95, not a 96, 95. So first year of the P38 as far as imported into the United States. It's listed as a red light car. It's had a small little buy here, pay here in California, as they all are, because no one really seems to want them out there after they go bad. Slew of of dash lights. You've got check engine, warning light, SRS, the maintenance wrench. There is a warning about max speed 35 miles. I'm not really sure what that. I've never seen that code before, but it could be a low battery. I'm sure there's some type of clogged cats. Problem with California is they have emissions, right? So any type of emissions rated code really totals the car out. But you know, it definitely, if you're scrolling around, it will catch your eye. You know, people ask why I use these auction sites. Well, because unlike Facebook Marketplace or something like that, you click a button and it's done, right? Shipping, everything, it's all one-stop shop. Click a button, the Rover shows up. So back to this one though. Great green color. It looks like it's in good, you know, the condition of the body is good. It's interesting it doesn't have the tail light covers, but you know, this is first year, so 16-inch wheels, green paint, tint, definitely California spec, maybe minus the chrome wheels, but I'll take the 16s any day. And again, the orange turn signal markers and the Hellas, man, it's a tempting combination. There's all your build information. I mean, luckily with this one, they took some decent pictures. And it has a black interior, which is interesting. Light wood, black interior, green exterior, which is a color combination I have not seen in a P38. Usually it's a, you know, cream or tan interior. Frame looks good. Cats are there. Keys broken off in the ignition. Should be able to get that out, though. It's not really the end of the world. I'm zooming in up here to see if that was potentially overheating, but you see in the next couple shots it looks okay. And that's a lot of different dash lights. Again, that's a combination of dash lights that I haven't seen. You know, the fact that the SRS lights on, I mean, that's like all of them for the most part. Aftermarket radio. He doesn't have the AC or the HVAC controls on. I'm assuming that's because there's, you know, the tape in the back of that is showing some grainy information. Looks like the sunroof isn't sealed. You got some aftermarket roof rails on there, but it looks like there's paint on the roof, but that probably is why your headliner doesn't look amazing. But yeah, black leather interior. Looks good. That's a pretty tempting color combination. I'm sure he bought this for $800 somewhere before at some other auction before he listed it for sale. Underside looks good. No rust. Again, that's what you get when you get a California car. You pay a little bit more for shipping, but you know, if you get it on the East Coast, not that P38s, they don't really rust too bad. But it is a little cleaner than you find them usually around here. Underside looks good. I don't know if it's sitting on air or not. The ride height makes me think it might be. But here's the running video. I mean, it sounds fine. It's fine. Healthy, obviously, there's been revs for anything in there. There's a lot of these four-wheelers with misfire codes, cat-related blinking suspension lines that sound fine idling, so you put them under load and they'll start messing up a little bit. But yeah, I can't really tell if it's on air or not. It's probably not on air, but you know, we'll see. But no rust. But yeah, you know, this is you can see while I clicked on it, it's a pretty alluring combination if you're into P38 stuff, which, you know, they keep popping up, and it's interesting that they even make it to auctions these days. So yeah, one key, that's just the report in case you send this to someone. But no, it all looks pretty bad and pretty good, but it's pretty cheap. It sucks about $2,500 shipping. So that's it for this one. Catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.